Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Atem Mini Pro is updated and powered. This reduces unexpected behavior. Connect your HDMI sources and label them in Atem software control so you know which feed is which. Once done, assign one input to program and another to preview. This lets you switch cleanly. Make sure the virtual cam or streaming output is enabled. Now prepare the Pi-P source. Pick a smaller camera or a pre-recorded feed, because Pi-P needs a consistent, framed image for overlay placement. Next, configure the picture-in-picture using the downstream keyer or supersource, depending on your workflow, since supersource gives multiple boxes and DSK is simpler. Select the Pi-P source, then adjust size, position, and any border or drop shadow. These choices affect viewer focus and framing. Once configured, save a preset so you can recall exact placement quickly. Use the preview bus to test transitions and check aspect ratio. If the Pi-P looks off, tweak scale or pixel aspect to match your main program feed. Finally, trigger the Pi-P live using the assigned DSK or supersource control and watch the program output to confirm placement and timing. Start recording or streaming. You can switch between saved Pi-P presets for different looks during the session. If things go wrong, here's a key tip. Check HDMI cables, ensure all devices share the same refresh rate, and verify firmware versions. Most flicker or no audio issues come from mismatched sync or outdated firmware. If needed, restart Atem software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.